Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video on my boho locks, y'all. Actually, this is an extended version of my short that I did a while back that everyone loved. It blew up everywhere that I posted it, and y'all been asking me so many questions, so let me answer all of y'all questions in this video, honey. This is the hair that I used right here. It's called Jozi Locks by Darling Locks, honey. You can get it on Amazon. I think it comes like 4 in a pack, for about between $40 and $50. But actually, do y'all see this? I loved how natural these locks were, and they were actually a blessing to me from my uncle. He was just like shopping in Walmart one day and he found them, and he asked me, did I want some locks? And I said, okay. I saw him. I said, send them to me. He bought me so many packs, y'all. So I just wanted to make a whole bunch of creations out of it. And, I created these beautiful boho locks as you see today, honey. You're going to see them. Wait till the end. So right now, this is an optional thing. I am cutting a little bit of that excess hair off because I want this part that you crochet in to be a little thinner than what it is, since I'm going to connect it to my braid. Right now, I am going to do plaits. I use some type of Bellatique gel. Y'all don't ever use that gel. I don't like it, but it was just so hard to like comb through my hair. It was just very sticky, fingers sticking together. So later on, I changed what I was using. Now that we have everything all plaited up and pretty or whatever, it's getting there. Gotta trust the process, please. I am going to show you all how to add the hair, so you have to stay in order to watch it. Please don't click off of the video if you really want to know how to do this style, because I'm going to let you know. Here we go. So as you can see, I'm just crocheting that in, and then I'm going to take my hair and I'm going to crochet it in at the top of the braid, just so that my hair, because my hair is long and I don't want it to be all the way down in the faux lock. So I'm going to take that and then I'm going to fold my hair down, and that's when I'll begin to add the what do you call it, the Cuban twist hair. That's what I use. So here's the Cuban twist hair, a little small piece. You don't need a really thick piece because you want those roots to be nice and flat and give the knotless effect. So now I am twisting this Cuban twist hair around. I'm wrapping my lock with the Cuban twist hair. And I wrapped enough, and then I wrapped it down enough over my own hair, and then I forgot to cut this bundle, so I used that hair to add in the curly pieces. This is a long bundle. This is about 36 inches long. Oh, and that hair is called Dominican curl. I'm gonna have everything down in the description below. If you need all of the products and everything that I use, it's down in the description below. So this is Dominican curl, about a 36 or 40 inch, one of them, I forgot. And I was kind of struggling with that first lock, but here we go with this second lock. So here we go. We're going to crochet our own hair in, and then fold it down. Now we're going to take that Cuban twist hair, crochet it in at the top. And I just kept it folded up like that so that it could be a nice even piece. And I just started to wrap it around. We're gonna wrap enough so that we cover our own hair. And I think this method helps when taking it down, because you don't have to but I did cut some of my hair taking this down, so be careful. Know where your hair is in your locks when you take them down, because I was rushing and I cut my hair taking it down. And here we go. I'm adding that piece of not human hair. That's not human hair. It's actually premium human hair. So we adding that in, and we just wrapping it around. And we're gonna keep on wrapping. I think I added about for each braid it varies. So like I think I did like 4 in the front, and then I did like 7 in the back. Like I just was doing it, you know, wherever the spirit was leading me to do so, honey. If I wanted it a little thicker, I added some more hair. If I wanted it a little thinner, I added less hair, you know. Now if you're doing this yourself, I say add about 6 or 7 pieces per braid. That's gonna give you that full look. So those were the 2 that I got. And bam, honey, look at this hair. Stop playing. I just always shock myself, y'all. You know, I just be doing some stuff sometime, and you know, I just create some beautiful things. I'm really a beautician out here. I love to make things beautiful. But here we go. I am going to cut these because I wanted like a little layers in the front. So I'm going to cut like 3 braids in the front just so I can get a little layered effect or whatever. And I'm going to show you all how I add the hair to the ends. And I'm going to also show you how to extend it. But you have to wait until the end of the video in order to see it. So here I go. I'm going to take some of this hair. And I'm going to wrap it around. Add the curly hair. We're going to add the curly hair upside down, going the way the braid is going. And we're going to wrap it on there some. And once we get it wrapped a little bit, we're going to pull it back down and wrap it down. And then you can wrap it up a little bit and wrap it down some more. Yep. And add that glue. Seal it up. And that's how you do that one, honey. Yes, it was given. It was given. The dream was coming alive. And so here I am doing that for another braid. I'm just wrapping it, adding that hair to the ends. But later, I just decided to add the hair by using glue. Because I wasn't going to continue to keep wrapping all these braids, honey. Y'all see all these locks in my hair. There's a lot of locks. So I just started using glue. And it actually lasted. So for the people who was saying, oh, it's going to come loose with the glue. No, honey. The glue lasted. Right now, here I go. I'm extending it with the glue. None of those locks came loose. And I mean, I was getting in water. I was doing all type of stuff. And y'all going to see all of that at the end. And then I wanted little layers. Yes, honey. We put a little mousse on there. Y'all see how that hair already then changed with the mousse and a little water. Mm-hmm. We got the layers going on. Yes, honey child. We was getting these locks together. Yes. Look at this hair, baby. Done by mwah. Uh-huh. Now, I know y'all loving this hair. And don't for a second doubt that you can't do it. Because you definitely can. Go home, go order all of this stuff, and get your hair done. Baby, this style is for you. See it through and through. Do you hear me? But all right, y'all, I got a plane to catch, honey.
1, 2, 3. Let go. Right. Yeah. Go.
Yeah, I really had the time of my life. But here's a little recap for you all. So yes, sis, go ahead and do whatever it is you gotta do. Go get this hair done. Go buy the hair. And get you some patience. Get you some determination. And you're gonna get it done. I promise you, it happens every time. Practice, patience, and determination is how you can do your own hair. That's the only way you're gonna win in this game of doing your hair, baby. Because it is a game and it is testing and it is trying. Every time I go through some type of mental breakdown, but you know what? You can do it. I believe in you. If don't nobody believe in you, I do. I hope you make your hair so beautiful for your vacation, for your birthday, or whatever it is. Because I enjoy my hair, honey. You're welcome.